इस कार्यक्रम के प्रसारण पुण्यार्जक हैं वृत्ति श्राविका श्रीमती रत्नमाला जैन एवं उनके सुपुत्र श्रीमान आदर्श जैन की पुण्य स्मृति में श्रीमती रेखा जैन, निशांत जैन, रोहित जैन, सुरभि जैन, तुषार जैन, शिल्पी जैन, अर्णव जैन एवं आरव जैन।
तीर्थंकर शांतिनाथ परमात्मा, मूल नायक तीर्थंकरा of Surnagar, Gaziabad Digambar Jain Mandir. I went to bow his lotus feet and I'm praying to him to give me bliss and eternal peace. And I'm bowing my head in front of Acharya Adi Sakji Maharaj, disciple, Acharya Mahavegiti Maharaj, his disciple Parampuja Acharya Bimal Sakji Maharaj, his main disciple Parampuja Acharya Sanmati Sakji Maharaj, his main disciple Parampuja Acharya Sunil Sakji Maharaj Gurudev. I want to remember this all great spiritual personalities. So now this moment is there. Now we all are here to cause something special in our life. In this Granth, in this holy book, Param Pujacharya Gurudev Sunil Saji wrote Why and Sorrow. In the 13th stanza of this book, he delivered a great, so great Gatha stanza is there in Prakrit language. Safalam vaside kale akale vifalamta kusalo khit kalannu safalo ho disavveda safalo ho disavveda. Safalo means successful person. Sometimes I deliver this thing. Every day I'm delivering the same thing. That ki success of any field, in matters field, whether it is an spiritual field. So under the success, then safalam vaside kale. Ki if on the right time, if it's raining, cloud are raining. So if success depends on cloud, depends on the time of rainfall. If rain is falling, cats and dog, but the right time, proper time, then you can get the fruit. So right time and right place. If rain is raining on mountains, just only rocks, nothing else. So otherwise the rain is falling in villages, in farms, but not the right time, any other time. Ka varsa jab krasi sukhane. There is a very famous quotation in Hindi language. Patient, very serious. And the person who's in here of that patient, they called up to doctor. Now after dying that patient, doctor is coming with his briefcase, with his apparatus and devices. So what is use of this all things? He died now, then doctor came, then he went in hospital, then ambulance came. There's no need of this thing. This is useless things. So like that, like this thing, keep cloud is raining. A cloud is there at right time, right place. So any farmer, any villager can enjoy it. It will be very fruitful. But at not right time, otherwise at not right place. Then what will happen? It will happen ki okay, rain will rain, but we will not get the fruit and flowers and any crop. So that is the main thing. What's happening, it's not matter. Where happening and when it's happening, that is the matter. Who's telling, who's delivering, it's no matter. With in front of whom you're delivering, that is the matter. Suppose somebody is very in angry mood. His mood is upset. He's not so peaceful at that moment. You told something notorious thing. You did something little bit harsh. So it will make too much bitterness in relation. The same thing. That same person is there, but he or she is in so peaceful mood. He is so happy, she is so happy. And that moment, whatever telling, so okay, that person will take it lightly. That person let take it on mind. So that is the way. So right time, right place. So consider, any coach is there. Any coach is there, any national, international, any badminton, cricket, any game is happening there. So on the court, who are the court? They are discussing. If we should do this thing, we should not do this thing. That player should do do this thing. They should not do that thing. So what will happen? Answer me. On the court, surely it will make some difference. It will cause in the matter. But the person who's audience, they are discussing with each other. If that player is doing something wrong, he should not do this thing, he should do this thing. So that will not make difference in that game. Those person can create and result an energy in that tournament, in that game. So whatever you're creating in your life, the proper person is there, proper place, proper time is there. So it's very useful. Coach is seeing those all player. Any team, he's a team of any particular, he is coach of any particular team. So he is not searching what is the drawback and fault in this team. What he will think? He will think what I can provide you. My technology, that coach is thinking what my knowledge, what my experience, what can he provide you? Like what can I provide to this all player? So they can give a very fantastic presentation. They can be conqueror. So he's not searching fault and drawbacks. In Hindi, गुण ग्रहण का भाव रहे नित दृष्टि न दोषों पर जावे. Somebody is doing something, anger, jealous, revenge, these all things are there. Then what is your use? He is a part of your life. If that person is the part of your life, you should do something for that person. One thing happens, some person are fighting with each other. So we will think, oh, that first person is right or okay, and second is wrong. Otherwise, second is okay, first is wrong. There's a world of justification. You will justify to other person to your. At that moment, I did that thing. So somebody is telling, yeah, whatever you told, whatever you did is not good. So you will start to give clarification. Yeah, whatever I told, whatever I did, it was fantastic. It was the proper time. It was the proper place. It was the proper moment to do that thing, to deliver those words. If that same circumstances in front of you, and so whatever I told, you will deliver the same thing. Whatever I did, you will deliver the same thing. At that moment, whatever I did and whatever I told, it was 100% okay and perfect. That is the world of justification. Justification means what I did, it is okay. It was perfect. It was fit and fine. You know, there is a proverb in Hindi, पागल अपने को पागल नहीं समझता है. The person who is living the life ignorance, the person who is living life of the non-enlightenment, not enlightened person. So the occurrence of that person will be different. Same thing, same scenario is there. Occurrence will be different. How is that person occurring to you? The same person is there. His enemy is seeing the same person. He will think something X. And his friend is seeing that person. He will think something Y. In the person who is not enemy, who is not friend of that same person, he will see that person. He will listen that person. He will see the activity of that person. So he is neutral. He is a stranger. He will think, oh, okay, something is happening. He will not pay the attention. But enemy will pay the attention. Friend will also pay the attention. Enemy will think something negative. Your friend will think something positive. It depends on your perception. How persons and things are occurring for you in your life. And it comes from the holiness. If you are doing chanting, apna Mokar mantra, if you are doing some meditation, and you're purifying your thoughts and emotions and belief system, surely you will go ahead in each and every field of your life. Achashi is telling, you want to get success and you're doing whatever you're doing, do it right place, right time. So if you will create and cultivate this hobby, that this hobby will give you success each and every year of life. Like as I'm delivering so simple example. Somebody did commitment that I will come temple daily. That is so simple thing. I will not take food. Otherwise, something for health. Because I want to reduce my obesity, otherwise I want to get my ideal weight. So for it I am planning, I will do fasting, otherwise running, jogging, whatever. Something is there. I will do this or that thing. And that moment, you are completing your word. Whatever you decided, so right time, right place. That is the main thing of your life. So I was delivering a so fantastic example was there. Like peacock is there. Okay. So very bitter taste is there. See, any mango is there. It's not ripe mango. Just like this much little mango is there. When it will grow, then this, then this, then this, then it will the. You will see the yellow color mango. Yellow color mango is very sweet, very tasty. But when like this much size shape is there of any mango, it's very bitter. It's not so tasty. It's not so good and nice. So, you know what happens? I don't know what scientists are telling. Scientists telling, when it will size up, that mango will increase this. When the color will change, then this chemical reaction happens in that mango, and because of that chemical reaction, it becomes very sweet. I don't know what science is telling. I don't know. I don't know. Don't want to know. But I know one thing. I'm thinking that it's not the real reason. No, what is the real reason? Real reason is there that any peacock is there on the tree of mango. Kuhu, kuku, koyal. Huh? Koyal means cuckoo. Huh? In English, cuckoo, koyal. The cuckoo is there. Huh? So it will start to kuhu, 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 kuhu. Then what will happen? His sweetness of those words enters in that mango. Because of this reason, mango becomes very sweet and tasty and melodious. Not because of some chemical reaction. There's a different aspect. Scientists are telling true, I'm not refusing the logical scientist, but I am thinking because of that sweet words converts that mango in sweet mango. Like the same way, sweet words of monks converts your heart in sweetheart. Too much sweetness, it will create too much sweetness in your heart. That is the way. I don't know. Your all bitterness will translate, will convert, will transform, will change in sweetness. That is the way. That is the way to get the sweetness in our life. That is the power of dedication, devotion of monks. So Acharya is telling so many times, Param Pujya Acharya Gurudev Sri Sagarji delay was a very fantastic thing. That Om, chanting of Om, it's very powerful, very powerful. You will start to chanting in a Mokar mantra. 2-3 types are there. One type is there, Om. That is one type. Second type, Om. Today I will level the 2 techniques are there. It's very amazing techniques. One technique, O. You will tell O. You will spend more time in O like that. In Ma means for little time. And the second way is there, Om. You will tell O for very few seconds. And Ma, you will close your lips and nice feeling come from your nose, both nostrils. There's 2 ways are there. Choose any way. Whatever you want, choose any way. But chanting Namaskar mantra, it will create a miracle in your life. It will enhance your energy. And if you want to get more and more and more and more and more and more and more miracles in your life, you want to be the ocean of miracles, do one thing. You know what is it? What is it? Just close your eyes and consider, write Om here. Consider there is an invisible any sketch pen is there in mental screen. On your mental screen, you should sketch Om, draw the Om, and close your eyes and deeply should inhale and hold your breath. That is Kumbhak, Antrik Kumbhak in Hindi. Hold your breath. Don't exhale anything. Just inhale and hold it. Your lips will close and start to dancing of that Om. That also means coming there, going there, in this direction, coming, going, coming. That the Om is entering here, in this shoulder, and this back side, and everywhere. That dancing, that Om is dancing. When Om is dancing, now Om is coming here and there, appearing. The color of Om is changing. Start to listen the noise of your mental ears of that Om. It will create so many miracles in your life. Surely, it's very fantastic way of manifestation. Your all problems and troubles and sorrow and this and that, it all will disappear. The power of Om. That is the way. I'm so happy that you are listening this all nectar word of Lord Mahavir Swami. And other enlightened person who came on this planet. I became the bridge. I became the source to deliver those words of Lord Mahavir Swami. I'm in front of you. It's good luck of my life. I'm appreciating my life. I'm giving blessings. I'm giving blessings to my own self.
इस कार्यक्रम के प्रसारण पुण्यार्जक हैं वृति श्राविका श्रीमती रत्नमाला जैन एवं उनके सुपुत्र श्रीमान आदर्श जैन की पुण्य स्मृति में श्रीमती रेखा जैन, निशांत जैन, रोहित जैन, सुरभि जैन, तुषार जैन, शिल्पी जैन, अर्णव जैन एवं आरव जैन।